What's up, everybody? Just got done for the night.
Okay, bye.
Finished driving. Had a nice little drive today. Made it to South Carolina.
How do we get that?
Not too serious. I'm pretty sure most truck drivers know that.
I'm right here. Come on.
A little 6-7 hour drive ain't much. But hey, you know, had a little driving. I left probably around about 2 from Tampa, Florida.
Yeah, now use it.
And now I'm up here in
Okay. Oh, he's a sweat.
Manning. Yeah. Up in Manning, South Carolina. But you know, like I said, it was nice, man. Drove a little bit, got something to eat, put some fuel in the truck, stuff like that. Listen to some music, relax, drive. That's all you really can do. Talk on the phone a little bit, get a couple phone calls, you know, not much. But time for me to lay it down and get ready for the next day. Go do a job. Get down with that. Start heading up to Virginia. You know, got a couple days on the road this time, so you know, pull over. Like I said, I'm over at a rest stop. Sometimes you pull over at a rest stop because you know, it's easy to just pull over, find a spot to park and get some rest. So that's what I chose to do. It's like it's still some parking out here. It ain't too late because usually, man, some of these parking spots get taken up. But I didn't even take the chance to even trying to look for a parking spot. I just said I'm gonna go in and pull over on the side. Usually there's little spaces down the side there when you first get off the interstate. Truck passing by now, but yeah, like I said, there's usually some spots on the side of the interstate. I'm sorry, the exit ramp you can pull off to and get some rest. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So, you know, see y'all in the morning.